Welcome back to Quick Tech Bytes, where we make complex tech simple. Today, we are diving into how artificial intelligence, AI, and data science are working hand in hand to transform the world. Whether you're curious about AI or data science, this video is for you. Before we dive into AI, let's quickly define data science. Data science is all about using data to gain insights, make predictions, and help businesses or organizations make better decisions. It involves gathering, cleaning, and analyzing large amounts of data to extract meaningful patterns and trends. Now, where does AI come in? Artificial intelligence, specifically machine learning, is a key part of data science. While data scientists find and clean the data, AI uses that data to learn and make predictions. In simple terms, data science provides the raw material, and AI is the tool that turns it into something actionable. Here's how AI and data science work together. Data collection and preparation. First, data scientists gather large datasets. These can be from surveys, sensors, online transactions, or any source of information. Then, they clean the data to remove any inconsistencies. Model training. This is where AI comes in. Using machine learning algorithms, AI is trained on this data to recognize patterns. For example, AI can learn to predict customer behavior or identify trends in financial data. Making predictions. Once the AI model is trained, it can make accurate predictions based on new, unseen data. Whether it's predicting stock prices or identifying disease outbreaks, AI provides insights that help businesses and governments make smarter decisions. AI and data science are already making a huge impact in various industries. In healthcare, AI analyzes patient data to predict diseases, helping doctors make quicker and more accurate diagnoses. In finance, AI is used to detect fraud by analyzing transaction data and finding anomalies in real time. And in marketing, data science combined with AI helps companies target the right customers by predicting what products they'll buy next. Artificial intelligence and data science are shaping the future of industries, and the best part is, they're only getting smarter. If you want to learn more about these exciting fields, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Tech Bytes. Let me know in the comments how you think AI and data science will transform our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.